welcome. Welcome to our Sing With Me
Polina,
session,
hello, everybody.
isn't it? Hello, everyone. 62, isn't it? Yes. So, let's make sure we're muted. We'll do a little warm up. So, our shoulders, the usual. A couple of times backwards, a couple of times forwards. As you're doing this, see if you can just still breathe normally into your belly. We'll lift our hands, we breathe into our belly. We sigh out with a sound. Oh. One more time. Breathe into our belly. Like a bird. Ah. All the way down. Okay. We'll start with humming a tune that some of us know. It's a niggun. I taught it in these sessions a few weeks ago, I guess, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I also taught it at the SOAS class. So there's a chance that and my choirs know it. It's a Yiddish tune. I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 I da 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 ya That's all we do today for that tune. Let's do it again. I da 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 ya da da I da 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 ya da I da da ya I one more time. I ya I'm singing at home and you sing the main tune. Nice little warm up. Whilst we were doing it, I was trying to fix my pedal, which has gone a bit the wrong way today. So I was switching it on and off. Okay, so how many people have looked at what we're going to sing today? You've seen what song we're going to do, yeah? And I'm unmuting you if you want to comment or from anything from anywhere.
I had a very quick look at it.
Sorry, Jackie?
I had a very quick look at it and listened to the recording that you.
It's kind of known. Those of us who come from the Yiddish circles may have seen it in one of the Mlotek books. It's a collection of books, a collection of Yiddish songs by the family of Mlotek, Hannah Mlotek, and it's there with a slightly different text. And the version I'm going to teach you today is something that is on the CD I'm so proud of. The CD, it's now being printed. You will hear about it later. Yeah, my choir members know about it already. So that's the version we're going to do today. a simple folk song with lovely meaning. I'm taking you to the melody straight away. Here we go. It's a waltz, right? All the best tunes come on three. I mean in 3/4. Die, 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 ya, da, die, da, da, da. Die, 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 ya, die, die, ya, da, die. Ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die. Die, 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 ya, die, ya, die. Da, da, die, die, ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die. Da, die, 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 die. Okay, one more time with music, and then we'll just abandon our sheet and we'll try to do it by heart. Okay. Die, 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 ya, da, die, die, ya, die. Die, 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 ya, die, die, ya, da, die. Ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die. Ya, die, 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 ya, die, ya, die. Ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die. Da, die, 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 ya, die. Let's see if we remember. Die, die, ya, da, die, 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 die. Die, 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 ya, die, die, ya, da, die. Da, da, die, die, ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die. Die, 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 ya, die. Da, da, die, die, ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die. Die, 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 ya, die. And on the repeat, you can always sing a harmony. Da, da, die, die, ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die. Die, 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 ya, die, ya, die. One more time. Ya, da, die, die, ya, da, die, ya, da, die. Die, 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 ya, die, ya, die. So you can always choose which one to do. I will be switching from the main tune to the melody. Nice and easy, right? Let's look at the meaning. Actually, by the way, it's nice to see people from the Russian side here as well as from the Yiddish side. That's lovely. So, von wannen hebt sich on a Liebe? From where does love start? So, von wannen hebt sich on a Liebe? Where does love start? Von reden, von schmiesen, oh, schmusen. Schmusen, schmiesen, it's a dialectic thing. Von lachen, from talking, from flirting, and schmiesen, really talking, right? Von lachen, from laughing together. Let's read it in the rhythm of the song. So it's like this: ta 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 ra ra ta ta ta. Ta ra ta 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 dan tan ta da da. We'll go slowly. Let's go together. 1, 2. Von wannen hebt sich on a Liebe? Von reden, von schmiesen, von lachen. Okay? Unser Liebe hat sich angehäuben. Gar von andere Sachen. But our love started itself. Angehäuben. Hat sich, has itself started, right? It's like this self, what's it called, reflective thing in Yiddish. It started itself way completely from different things, andere Sachen, different things. So unser Liebe, 1, 2. Unser Liebe hat sich angehäuben. Gar von andere Sachen. Let's repeat. Unser Liebe hat sich angehäuben. Gar von andere Sachen. And I think the English on the right is singable. It's not exactly word-to-word translation. Try singing it. Ohne Wahnen hebt sich ohne Liebe, ohne Reden, von Schmissen, von Lachen. Unsere Liebe hat sich angehoben, oi Gott, vor andere Sachen. Unsere Liebe hat sich angehoben, oi Gott, von andere Sachen. How is that? Okay? Let me see. You know the tune by now, right? So it should be okay. Do we know who Achren is? Somebody's trying to get in with the name Achren. I don't know whether we should. Should we? Should we not? Let's vote. Yes or no? I don't know. Achren. A-H-R-E-N. No. I don't
Yeah,
know.
yes, I think Paul knows him.
Aaron Burston, A-H-R-E-N?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's
Thank
kosher.
you. All right. Okay. All right. Always good to ask. So easy, right? Let's go to the second verse, right? Go to the second verse. Oh, it's a lovely little poem. So, Ot stehen dort teibelig zwei. Ot stehen dort teibelig zwei. It repeats. So let's read it in the rhythm of the song, just maybe one time. 1, 2. Ot stehen dort teibelig zwei. Hey, let's do it one more time. Ot stehen dort teibelig zwei. Hey. Ot, there, here, stehen, stand, dort, there, teibelig, doves, or pigeons, doves really, zwei, two pigeons, two doves are standing there, Oi lieben sie sich sehr. So, we close the N into okay? Let's read that line. 1, 2. Oi lieben sie sich sehr. Is that okay for rhythm? One more time. Oi lieben sie sich sehr. They love each other, themselves so much, there, so much. Nie to kein gleichen zu sehen together. Nie to kein gleichen zu sehen. Nothing can compare to them. Let's try singing it. So rhythmically, that's probably the only difficulty with this song, is that rhythm changes in every verse. We'll do it a couple of times, okay? Ot stehen dort teibelig zwei. Ot stehen dort teibelig zwei. Oi lieben sie sich sehr. Nicht auch im Gleichen zu sehen. Oi lieben sie sich sehr. Nicht auch im Gleichen zu sehen. So here is what we do now. We have a little rest and enjoy the song. We sing la 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 one time, then we sing the first two verses, and then we sing la 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 one more time. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Von Wannen hebt sich ohne Liebe, von Reden, von Schmissen, von Lachen. Unsere Liebe hat sich angehoben, oi Gott, von anderen Sachen. Und Liebe hat sich angehoben, oi Gott, von anderen Sachen. Wolken gleichen zu sehen. Dai, dai, da, 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 dai, da, dai, da. Dai, 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 da, da, dai, dai, da, 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 da. Ya, da, dai, dai, ya, da, dai, dai, ya, da, dai. Dai, 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 da. Ya, da, dai, dai, ya, da, dai, dai, ya, da, dai. Dai, 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 dai. Nice melody, and it kind of non-specific. It doesn't have really a Slavic element too much. It doesn't, it may be a bit Western, but at the same time, it's kind of, it can be Russian. It could be a Russian art song easily, you know? So let's look at the rest of it. I think it's a lovely text. So, genug schon, here it gets personal. Now, the emphasized syllables here and there are emphasized, and that little tiny writing you see, there's a little bit of rhythmic notation there. It's what Lorin Sklamberg and I did in order to record it, so we sing the same rhythm together. So you see a bit of our inside, kind of behind the scenes work here, but hopefully it'll help. So let me read it. Genug schon mit mir zu reden. Let's go again. Genug schon mit mir zu reden. Enough already with me talking, to talk. Enough talking to me. Next line. Genug schon mit mir zu schmissen. One more time. Genug schon mit mir zu schmissen. I think it should be genug schon mit mir zu schmissen to make it easier for you, and it's underlined. Let's make emphasis on mit. Genug schon mit mir zu schmissen. Enough schmoozing with me. Is this clear? Sorry, I changed it. Yeah? Mit mir. Let's do mit mir every time. The next one. Oi vier mich op. Hey, one more time. Oi vier mich op. Hey. Oi, take me, lead me, aheim, to my home. Der Tate wird die Tier verschließen. One more time. Der Tate wird die Tier. Der Tate wird, yeah, wird is emphasized. Der Tate wird die Tier verschließen. One more time. Der Tate wird die Tier verschließen. Hope it makes sense. My father will lock the door. Let's go slowly through this verse. I see you shaking your hands like heads. Let's read it one more time. You know, you can sing your own version. It's how you make these syllables work with this tune. It's a folk song, right? Let me read it in our standardized version for today. Sing with me 62. 1, 2. Genug schon mit mir zu reden. Genug schon mit mir zu schmissen. Oi vier mich op aheim. Der Tate wird die Tier verschließen. Last two lines. Oi vier mich op aheim. Der Tate wird die Tier verschließen. Let's try that. Genug schon mit mir zu reden. Genug schon mit mir zu schmissen. Oi für mich auf aheim. Der Tate wird die Tier verschließen. Oi für mich auf aheim. Der Tate wird die Tier verschließen. Okay? How is that? I see things happening in chat. Any complaints so far? Verschließen. Verschließen. It should be verschließen, right? Verschlossen, verschließen, right? Verschließen. Is there a typo again? I don't even look at it. I kind of sing it by heart. Verschließen, okay? Now, next one, the last verse. Last verse. Heim Lubitschke, will ich dir opferen. Okay, you have this little reminder there how to do it rhythmically. Let's go slower and one more time. 1, 2. Heim Lubitschke, will ich dir opferen. One more time. Heim Lubitschke, will ich dir opferen. Right? Home, Lubitschka comes from Любовь, Luba, my love, that's a Slavic word, a Russian word. Велich, I will, dir, you, abführen, take, yeah, I'll walk you home. Next line, beim Gleckele wirst du umklingen, and we will both, by the bell, we will both ring, yeah, beim Gleckele wirst du umklingen. This is easy, plain rhythm. Next one. O ja liebe, wenn wir beide vieren. One more time, listen. O ja liebe, wenn wir beide vieren. And you know, with velen, sometimes we split velen into 2 syllables, or like schmiesen, 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 schmiesen. Sometimes use them as 2 syllables, sometimes we stretch. So here it's velmir, velmir, okay? Oi liebe, velmir beide vieren. Next line. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Last line again. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Let's try the last 2 lines together. Oyali. 1, 2. Oja liebe, wenn wir beide vieren. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. One more time, the last 2 lines. Oja liebe, wenn wir beide vieren. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. So, oja liebe, well, oh love, we will both lead. We will both vieren, yeah, I guess, have. Die ganze Welt, the whole world, Welt von uns, will about us singen, sing. So the whole world will sing of our love forever. It's a nice love song. Let's try the last verse. Remember, it's Heim Lubitschke, okay? Heim Lubitschke, will ich dir opferen. Beim Gleckele wirst du umklingen. Oh Liebe, will mir beide vieren. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Oh ja, Liebe, will mir beide vieren. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Okay, let's stop here. We are ready to bring everything together. How is that? Yeah? Yeah? So, you know what? We will sing. Do we want to do the 4th verse one more time? People are nodding. I suspect, you know, for some of us, let's do it one more time. It's rhythmically just a bit, you know, varied. You can choose when you sing solo. You can choose how to put the syllables to, you know, what to emphasize. But nice to have one way for at least today, maybe. Last verse again. Heim Lubitschke, will ich dir opferen. Beim Gleckele wirst du umklingen. Oh ja, Liebe, wenn wir beide vieren. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Euer Liebe, wenn wir beide wären. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Okay? Should we bring everything together? Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. We actually have time to do the whole song, I don't know, 3 times. You'll know it really well. Von Wannen heet sich ohne Liebe. Von Reden, von Schmissen, von Lachen. Unsere Liebe hat sich angehoben. Ruhiger von anderen Sachen. Unsere Liebe hat sich angehoben. Ruhiger von anderen Sachen. Und stehen dort heimelig zwei. Und stehen dort heimelig zwei. Oh, lieben sie sich sehr. Nicht hocken gleichen zu sehen. Oh, lieben sie sich sehr. Nicht hocken gleichen zu sehen. Genug schöne mit mir zu reden. Genug schöne mit mir zu schmissen. Oh, für mich oberheim. Der Tate wird die Tür verschließen. Oh, für mich oberheim. Der Tate wird die Tür verschließen. Heim, Lubitschke, will ich dir opferen. Beim Glück an der Weston klingen. Oh ja, Liebe, wenn wir beide wären. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Oh ja, Liebe, wenn wir beide wären. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Da 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 da. How is that? Now we have a few minutes, we can chat, we can share. When we were in the SOAS sessions last week, these other classes that I was teaching, I think Paul or somebody said it's nice that we can chat a bit. This song is simple, and we have 10 minutes, 11 minutes before the end of this session. So if you want to say something about our future, how many do we have? We have 4 more sessions, 2 Russian, 2 Yiddish, about your impressions of the songs, about anything you want to say. Please do. I'm unmuting. I think just, just jump and say something. What do you want to say?
Is there any chance there'll be more Sing With Me sessions after this one? You considering it or no?
Yeah, I don't know if you could hear Paul. Are there going to be more Sing With Me sessions? We had a kind of a dip. I wasn't sure what to do with them. Now I'm seeing 37 people here today, which is amazing. I thought that with the summer, people will just go to other things, and there is so much on offer now online. When we started, it was unique and new, and now everyone is doing things. So if we carry on like this, oh, there's noise. Unmute yourself if you want to say something, okay? Yourselves. It looks like it's going okay, and I am definitely doing the other things, my other work on Wednesdays and Sundays until the 22nd of July. So I am working from home until the 22nd of July, definitely. So it's likely that we will carry on till then. In August, I definitely want to take a break, a complete break from everything. But I also need to be earning money, so thank you whoever is paying me. I see your payments, and I actually because I've just paid for that CD. Actually, I need to be working. So this works for me in terms of socializing, talking, sharing, and in all other ways. Now I'm seeing some chat things, Michael. And
Oh,
what's that?
Polina?
Yes.
Oh, can I just tell you, I'm obsessed with the countertenor from the Coachman song that you gave us the recording to. I never heard a countertenor.
Wow. Okay. Sue was just commenting on this countertenor, which we did. I think that I posted a link for a Russian session. It was it last session, a Russian session.
Yeah,
And by the way,
yeah,
if you only come for
the
Yiddish sessions,
Coachman
come to
bell.
Russian sessions as well. Seriously, it's just as easy. Maybe even easier. So yeah, and there's a man who sings. It's an old recording, a black and white video of a Cossack choir, and the man sings with a very high voice. And I don't think it's a countertenor. I think he sings with falsetto, to be honest. I think it's
Oh,
falsetto. I think
falsetto?
it's falsetto, which
Yeah.
is different to countertenor. Now
Ah.
that's my opinion. If you want to see which one it is, I won't be able to find you a link right now, but it's an amazing voice.
Oh,
Uh,
yeah.
Right, and by the way, lots is happening on Facebook. If you are on Facebook, I advertise these sessions and I put links on Facebook as well, and you can actually talk and share things there if you're on Facebook. Yeah, anything else you want to say?
Yeah, can you say a little bit about the SOAS sessions for those of us who weren't there?
Oh, Betty, what can I say about the SOAS sessions? Last week, some people joined both Russian and Yiddish. It was much more intense because it was an hour and 15 minutes. Oh, David was there as well, yeah, from the London Russian Choir. Jackie was there. So we had an hour and a quarter, then a 15-minute break, and then the next session. Yiddish session, Russian session over 5 days. Quite a lot more intense than these. We did mainly 3 songs in the Yiddish sessions, a niggun and 2 songs, and 2 songs in the Russian session. So people went home with 5 mostly new songs, but some old songs. So that I thought it was fantastic. But we don't have videos for this because it was run by SOAS, by University.
Did people join who haven't usually come to these sessions?
A few people did. I don't know if anyone joined from these sessions, if anyone joined these, but people were interested. Yeah. Well, that was good. That was good. I was there. Julia says yes. Julia was there. Yeah. Right, and there's a hello from Betty from Ben. That's the Brighton and Hove Yiddish Choir member saying hello. And Betty, by the way, is the admin of that choir, administrator. Okay, that was a nice. You know what? We won't have a social session as such, because in the past we had a few of these social sessions. But because I'm teaching slightly simpler songs sometimes, if you want to say something, let's do it in our sessions here. Okay, 5 minutes to talk, and then we revise the song. So now we have 6 minutes, and this will be 6 minutes of singing. We will sing our song round and round and round with ya la 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 la. So sing harmonies, improvise, whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm showing you the text. Actually, no. Let's start with singing through the. Ooh, oh, I've done it. I've done it. Anyway, let's go. Let's start with singing la la la. First verse. Von Wannen hebt sich hoch an Liebe, von Reden, von Schmissen, von Lachen. Unser Liebe hat sich angehoben, oi Gott, von anderen Sachen. Unser Liebe hat sich angehoben, oi Gott, von anderen Sachen. Da 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 ja da da da. stehen dort eibelig zwei. Und stehen dort eibelig zwei. Oi, lieben sie sich sehr. Niet ook in gleichen zu sehen. Oi, lieben sie sich sehr. Niet ook in gleichen zu sehen. Next verse. Genug schon mit mir zu reden. Genug schon mit mir zu schmissen. Oi, wir mich oberheim. Der Tate wird die Tür verschließen. Oi, wir mich oberheim. Der Tate wird die Tür verschließen. Da-da-dai, da-da-da-da-dai, da-dai-dai. Ja-dai-dai-dai, ja-dai-dai, ja-dai-dai. Wait. I almost just closed the meeting. Hey, Lubitschke, will ich dir opfern? Beim Glück alle Fest und klingen. Oh ja, Liebe, wenn wir beide führen. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Oh ja, Liebe, wenn wir beide führen. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. We'll do this fourth verse one more time. Heim, Lubitschke, will ich dir opfern. Beim Glück alle Fest und klingen. Oh ja, Liebe, wenn wir beide führen. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. Oh ja, Liebe, wenn wir beide führen. Die ganze Welt wird von uns singen. First verse. Von der Fahnen hebt sich ohne Liebe. Von der Reden, von der Schmissen, von Lachen. Unser Liebe hat sich ungeheuben. Oi, Gor von anderen Sachen. Oi, Liebe hat sich ungeheuben. Oi, Gor von anderen Sachen. Thank you very much. And I hope to see you
Thank you,
next
Polina.
time. Keep well.